that what do you mean by scaling agility? So this is a question back to you, and I want your answers in the right panel where the question and answer can be done. So just spend 2 minutes and just put one idea from your side that what do you think is the meaning of scaling agility, what it is. Okay, so I'm going to pause here for 2 minutes, and I'm going to ask you a question again. So I expect some of your answers over there in the panel. So the question is, what do you think is scaling agility? Am I clear? You guys there? Yes, you have to answer the question in the chat panel over there at the right side. In the questions panel there in the right side, you need to just tell me what do you think is scaling agility, and it's a tough question to answer. So if you just spend another 2 minutes and think about what is your perspective about scaling agility. Okay. So, I just want to bring into notice that some of you feel, and I have been interacting with a lot of agile teams over the year. Some people think like if agile equal to Scrum, so what does it means to scale agility? Okay, some people say that okay, it's not actually equal to Scrum, and we don't know what is scaling agility. And some people say, large scale Scrum is scaling agility. Okay, so as you see on the screen, the picture says that okay, stretching the Scrum picture, which is nothing but the Scrum framework, from all the direction makes it scale. Okay, is that make sense? I feel no, because it's not gonna make any sense by scaling it back to the longer duration and long process framework again from where it started to a small and incremental process framework. And some say that it means it is big, and or stretching it from all the direction makes it scale, which is not a real interpretation or a perspective of the scaling agile. Okay, so that why I brought this into notice is because the perspective changes the implication. Okay, so if you say that we want to take Scrum to a larger audience when we have thousands of people working with us, it doesn't mean that you are doing scaling. Okay, it means that you are implementing Scrum or maybe any other framework to multiple teams or to multiple people. While some people say that okay, it means that we want to implement agile at at the enterprise level, and that means to us is scaling agility. Okay, which also is another perspective, and these perspective, because it can be different for one person to the other person, and it can change the way they want it to be. Okay, and then if you talk about the essential, so as I asked, the first question was, some people answered that it means that implementing it to a larger audience makes it agile and scaled. Okay, so another question would be, what are the essentials? Okay, if you just answer the second question of the this particular presentation, then if you can just see my screen now again. So